How to enable battery saver mode on Android 2026. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can turn on it. So for that we will simply go to settings in our Android phone. So let's go to settings. Here you guys will simply scroll, like you guys can see Wi-Fi, mobile network and other things, but we will simply scroll. On downside you guys can see app, security and privacy, location, safety, emergency, battery. So simply click on battery. Once we click on battery, here you guys can see battery usage by app. Also on downside you guys can see power saving mode. So simply click on that. Once we click on that, here you guys can see automatically turn off power saving mode when the battery is 90% charged. Also you guys can see power saving mode. So simply click on power saving mode, and once we turn on it, that's it, our power saving mode will be turned on. So that's how you guys can do that. Also you guys can see super power saving mode. When you turn on it, you guys will simply have access to only emergency features, but you guys can use your phone for longer. You guys can use that feature in forest or other situation where you don't have any charging points. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.